Alright guys, welcome back to Nifty Network. Today we have a G35 Sedan, and I'm going to show you how to remove your side skirt off of this car. So, let's get to it. Okay, so to get the side skirt off, very simple. All you're going to need is a little side Phillips head and a 10 mil. What we're going to do first is I'm going to turn, if you're taking the right side skirt off, you want to turn your wheel to the right so that the back of the tire goes inward, so you can access those. So there's going to be 3 Phillips heads on this. There's one under and there's 2 up top. So we'll get the ones in here first and we'll lay under the car and work our way back. So once that's loose right there, you'll see one little pop clip under there. And these ones, the pop clips that go under the cars, they are always a pain to get off because dirt gets in there. So the likelihood of you breaking it to get it off is very high. If you need to replace them, link is in the description and we'll get you some new pop clips. Once we have the front mud guard off, I'm just going to work my way back. Grab your side ratchet. And I believe there's like 8 10 millimeters. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, there's 9 actually. My bad. So just work your way down. Okay, and then once you have all those off, there's going to be 2 Phillips head screws facing forward in front of the rear tire. Yeah, so once you just break that loose, you can twist it out with your fingers. Okay, so once you have all your screws cleaned up, you're going to want to open both of your doors. And inside, there's going to be some invisible clips. We'll start in the back. Grab a clip remover tool. And there's going to be one in the back right here. That one's actually already popped off. So then just work your way forward. Don't pry too hard. But where you see the bumper like kind of stuck in the jam, just stick your pop clip tool in there and pop them outwards. So then once it's kind of hanging like that, go to the front. And there's going to be one more Phillips head hiding in here under the front mudguard. And then I leave that one on there because this clip in here is a little sensitive, so it breaks very easily. So I always leave that front one in there so when you're popping the ones out of the door jamb, it doesn't just fly off and break this tab. And that is how you take off a side skirt on a G35 and G37 sedan.